Hi, here we have a Samsung Galaxy S24. As you can see, the phone is locked with a PIN code. I will show you in this video how to unlock it using a hard reset. This method will erase all data, including the password, so you shouldn't use it if you want to keep your data. The first thing you need to do is connect your phone to the computer. This step is really important and you must make sure to use a cable that supports data transfer. Once the phone is connected to the computer, you need to press the power button and the volume down button in the same time. Keep holding, and once the screen goes black, you need to release the volume down button and press the volume up button without releasing the power button. Keep holding, and then you should arrive in recovery mode like in the screen. Perfect. So now the rest of the process is really easy. You can disconnect the phone from the computer. Now you can navigate using the volume down button to select wipe data factory reset. Select with the power button and confirm. Okay, so now it's done. Now you just need to reboot the system by clicking the power button. The device will take a long time to restart, and this is completely normal. I take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, you can leave your ideas for future videos in the comments. There is one very important thing to know. If you have a Google account linked to the phone, a protection will be activated. It's called FRP, the Factory Reset Protection from Google. In that case, you need to sign in with the email address on the phone, or you can bypass this protection if you don't have access to the email address. You can check some bypass methods at the end of this video. So at the end of the process, we have a completely reset phone, as you can see on the screen. Now all that's left is to set up the phone as if it were brand new, unless you have the Google FRP protection that gets activated like it does for me. In that case, you need to bypass this protection. I'll show you how to do it in the next video. In the meantime, you can check out how I passed this protection on a Samsung Galaxy Tab A tablet. Here are 2 video suggestions that show this process. See you soon.